Hello everyone, my name is Pawan Nitish and I am your Abhyas IIT Prep anchor. Today I am going to discuss with you JEE Mains Analysis 2021 Phase 2, that is on the day 3rd on March 18th, Shift 1 and Shift 2. So here I am going to discuss with you about band score and individual sectional analysis. So in the band score, what we actually infer is the band score relates to how much score you have to get in order to achieve 98 percentile and above. For that, basically we will be collecting questions from the students and we analyze the difficulty level of the question, easy or medium or difficult, and then giving weightage to those, we get a good score. That good score for individual section is calculated and the total good score is sum of all the three sections. So here for shift 1 on the day 3 we got it as 205 and above. So somewhere if you are having score between 195 to 210 or 215, then your score lies above 98 percentile. This is about the band score. So shift 1 we got it as 205 and above. And in shift 1 physics sectional analysis, out of 30 questions we have collected, 12 questions are from the first year IPE and 18 questions are from the second year IPE. Here 9 questions were asked, highest weightage from electromagnetism module. All the questions are of medium level. There were no surprises also. And coming to mechanics 1 module, questions from this module were expected models, mainly from kinematics and relative velocity. All of them are of medium level. And mechanics 2, 6 questions were there. All the 6 questions are of medium level difficulty, covering from the system of particles, elasticity, work power energy and collision. There are 2 questions from heat and thermodynamics and kinetic theory and are of easy to medium level difficulty. Waves and optics, 4 questions were asked and 4 questions are mainly from ray optics, wave optics, SHM and also optical instruments. Nuclear physics, 5 questions were asked. All the questions are of formula based and are of medium level difficulty. Chemistry, highest weightage was from organic chemistry 2 as expected, and some of the questions were little time consuming with respect to other modules. So out of 9 questions easily you can attempt 5 to 6 questions. Next, in physical chemistry 1, 4 questions were asked and in that 4 questions, one from atomic structure, one from equilibrium, chemical bonding, and the last one is from thermodynamics. Inorganic chemistry 1, 5 questions were asked. All of them are NCERT based, but the chapters covered this time are S block elements, metallurgy, and environmental chemistry. Organic chemistry 1, the question was easy, and basically it was from the nomenclature of the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, next, physical chemistry 2, 4 questions were there. 4 questions came from solutions, electrochemistry, solid state, and chemical kinetics. All are expected questions only, there were no surprises. Inorganic chemistry 2, 6 questions were asked and questions are easy actually and came from nitrogen and complex coordination compounds. So 29 questions, 10 questions from first year and 19 questions from second year. Next, mathematics, out of 28 questions, 15 questions are from the IP first year and 13 questions are from the IP second year. Out of the 28 questions we have collected, highest number of questions are from trigonometry and algebra 1. All are familiar models, predominantly linear relations and matrices are asked. And geometry 1, 6 questions were there and 6 questions are from coordinate geometry and planes with medium level difficulty. Calculus 1, only 2 questions were asked and those are familiar and are very easy, and those are from limits. Algebra 2, 6 questions were there and they are mostly from higher order equations, binomial theorem and measures of dispersion, medium level difficulty. Geometry 2, 2 questions were there, questions from circles only. Calculus 2, 4 questions were asked and those are from indefinite integration, definite integration and areas. Functional algebra, only 1 question was asked and that is from Venn diagrams and truth tables. and those are of easy level. And shift 2 band score, total, if you are seeing 198 and above is the shift 2 band score. For shift 1 it is 205 and above. Comparatively shift 2 is a little bit difficult. I can't say it is like there is a huge margin, but comparatively a little bit difficult. And this is 198, so overall if you are between 190 and 205, then you will be above 98 percentile for the shift 2. Here in shift to physics, 30 questions, 16 questions are from first year. Highest weightage was for mechanics 2 and covering all the areas of module, but some were time consuming. This module covered highest weightage of questions. And next weightage was for electromagnetism, 7 questions. All are known models, no surprising. One or two questions were a little bit difficult, so easily you can attempt 5 from electromagnetism and 6 to 7 from mechanics 2. Other thermal physics, 3 questions were asked, and these 3 questions are from thermodynamics and kinetic theory. Mechanics 1, 4 questions were there, but the 4 questions were very basic from motion of plane, units and measurements, errors and measurements. All of them are of medium level. Next, modern physics, 4 questions were asked. 4 questions are of expected models, formula based, and are from radioactivity and atoms and nuclei. So this is about the physics. Easily out of 30 questions, if you are attempting 20 questions, then you will be in the good score category. Shift to chemistry, 29 questions were asked. Out of 29, 10 are from IPE first year and 19 out of 29 are from IPE second year. So here highest weightage was of physical chemistry 2 in organic chemistry 2. uh, if you see physical chemistry 2, questions came from electrochemistry, surface chemistry, solutions, solid state and chemical kinetics. All of them are expected questions only from the respective chapters, so there were no surprising questions. And also organic chemistry 2, along with some aldol mechanisms, he was asking questions from biomolecules also. So amines, biomolecules and aldol mechanisms were covered in the shift to chemistry of the last day. So 7 questions, I think you can attempt 4 to 5 questions. Physical chemistry 1, 3 questions were asked. 3 questions are from chemical bonding, atomic structure and states of matter. All are of medium level difficulty. And organic chemistry, only one question was asked, and that one question is from uh, IUPAC nomenclature again. Next, physical chemistry 2, 7 questions were asked. I have discussed that already. Inorganic chemistry 2, 5 questions were asked, and those 5 questions, one question is from D block elements, and other are from nitrogen P block and are of medium level difficulty. Shift to mathematics. 8 questions are asked from trigonometry and algebra again. This time all the topics were covered and are mostly easy. Geometry 1, 4 questions from straight lines and vector algebra and are medium level. Calculus 1, only one question, and that is from direct a combination of the chapters from calculus, I can say, and it's very easy. Algebra to 4 questions were there. Mostly they are also expected and familiar models only. They are from measures of dispersion, binomial theorem, complex numbers, and are of medium level difficulty. Geometry to 2 questions from conic sections, ellipse and hyperbola. They are of medium level. Calculus to 5 questions. All the questions from this module are also expected pattern only. They are from differential equation, definite integration, and also probability. Functional algebra 3 questions were asked. Series, truth tables, and also progressions were asked. Around 27 questions. Equal weightage I can say for first year and second year. So that is about the shift 1 and shift 2 individual subject wise analysis, and also the band score, how much you have to get in order to be in the 98 percentile range. So this is about the day 3 of the phase 2. And coming to our details, we are Gyanville Academy, a unit of Abhyas Edu Technologies, and we are located at Prati Nagar. You can also check our websites iitprep.in and gyanville.in. If you are having any admission related query, you can contact to these emails, and also you can directly contact to the given phone numbers or chat in WhatsApp. And also we have a Telegram channel especially for students who are preparing for IIT. So generally we will be posting new quizzes every day, and also polls will be conducted, so you can attempt those polls, and the next day itself we will be giving the solution for the quiz conducted on the previous day. So by that you will be able to check where you are doing some mistakes and also improve your knowledge day by day. This is about our Telegram app. I will paste the link in the description. Please join our Telegram app and also share this video to the maximum people possible. Thank you.